Hello guys,
Hello guys, it's me and my brother Mr.
Yeah, let's go. I want to go today.
See, it's so packed.
Now, if I remember correctly, our airplane is the number one.
Which one are you going?
So, number one.
Okay. And it's going to be so fun, guys. I hope something bad happens.
Don't they?
Why?
Something
And
bad
also,
happened.
I will to the new people that are watching it. And they better subscribe. I'm not asking it for every single day.
Okay. Now.
And again, our name is Mason and Manha.
And if you remember last video, I didn't talk because it was an accident. It was an accident. I'm sorry. I'm apologizing. Okay. Next video with Omar will be good. Okay.
Okay, everybody, as you can see,
That's your dad. Hi, Dad.
that's not our real dad, guys.
Wakey. Eggs and backies.
I don't want to wake up.
What? Don't tell me you forgot. What did I forget?
What did you forgot about, Daddy?
Today is the big day.
What big day, Daddy?
Let me remind you. We are flying to the rumors.
Yay!
Yes.
Give me so fast.
Okay, give me a minute, George. Come on.
We can't open it right now, but we can open it later.
Why are in the boys room? Anna?
This is all everybody who come here. This is our lucky.
Come in. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. Oh my god. Let's go. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the bag is ready before breakfast is not going to the Yeah, I want to go. I will stop making the burgers in the backyard. Oh yeah.
And
Okay.
also, guys, sometimes what happens is when you go get it from the girls' stores or the boys' stores.
No.
Let's see what this is. I really want to go to this trip. I don't even remember where my clothes are. Okay, here is what we are going to do. We have 45 seconds, so let's explore the house and see where everything is. Start in that's packing up.
Okay.
This is my bathroom. Why is the bathroom blue?
Yay. Okay.
Check your bathroom.
My god.
Why is he sleeping? Why is he sleeping?
What am I supposed to get?
You don't need to get right now. You have to explore the room. I want to see your bathroom.
Hey! The boys' bathroom. Stop it.
Your bathroom is blue. I will tell you bathroom.
This is a good bathroom.
I will go to your bathroom. I know toilet.
Hey! No, get out.
Go to the toilet.
Okay, now I need to find.
I'm going to find your shirt.
Why is my pants right in the clothes?
You can't get my pants.
I got my pants.
Other pants.
This is my bag. Who put them there?
I did it. So what can we do?
No,
Cry
so
like a baby.
give a shout out to a skeleton. My friend Omar.
Why I'm not gonna buy anything else except for just the shirt.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't really need anything. I think I just need some pens. I'm going to put a swimming time feel like over here.
This is my
I don't buy some pizza. Oh,
Oh, I
Okay.
need those plants that you stole from me.
I need the cookies.
What?
I need the cookies. Need the cookies. I need the
The
cookies.
cookies in your room.
I need the cookies. Cookies.
Oh, it doesn't actually store the pen. I have lots of this.
Yeah, that was mine. cookies. I put the cookies. Yum, 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 yum. I think I'm done with that. Go. Never mind. Oh yeah,
We got our shoes.
I forgot my. I forgot my
You
second
got your
pants.
shoes, girl.
You want my pants? Just kidding.
You got my shoes. I need a black sneaker. Do you have the black sneaker?
No.
Yes, there is it.
You have. Do you have the blue pants? Because that I'm not in the right. Run, run,
Yes,
run!
I got it.
Let's go! 40 seconds! I want to go to this script. I did everything.
I'm done.
Almost done. Almost there. And oh, clutch timing. Yeah, we done.
One back in time.
Somebody must have it.
Can you see a green burger?
We're almost ready.
Did you see the green burger?
Let's go get the backyard.
Did you see green burgers?
What? Oh.
There's a green burger. See the green burger.
What? Somebody will have that.
That's where I'm in the swimming pool.
I wanna not go in the pool and not let my clothes get wet.
I forgot to put
Slowly.
my lucky charms.
And I need to keep my brushes back here. No one.
And I put the luggage outside and now I can go to the gym.
I'm not stupid. I'm not going there. Seriously, I'm not
go,
going
Mama.
there.
Come on.
The pool is gonna get me. And I'm not gonna go.
Who?
There!
The burger is here.
Who wants burger? One is the rotten number. Alright, whoever wants one, good. They know about a game out. Okay.
Why do you people just... No, I want to take my brother.
I need to get to know. I need to. Oh, yes! Oh no, somebody has to rot burger.
मुझे नहीं मिला दादी ने मुझे नहीं दिया
No! Too bad for that. I want to eat it out of your face. I ate it. Oh, it's a radio. Let me just go. I need to go change.
मैं कोई कर दिया
Let me get mine. Get out! Done. Now I'm back. No. Over. Brother, this day, its conference has been left.
Hush.
What was it? Police want everyone in Roblox here. Oh wait, careful for anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Maybe us, Dad? Oh my! Look at the time! We are running late to our flight! Oh no! There's no way we make it in time! No! Dad, what are we gonna do? Unless, follow me! I'm going there. If you want to do the plan, I have a bad feeling about this. But
वो वाला गेम इसमें हम मीट नहीं कर पा रहे थे प्लेन फ्लाइट वाला Guys, this is the game where we couldn't beat ever.
We're doing this
Guys.
again. The garage. Wait for it. What is he doing?
Like that red is woman never fighting with that space.
What?
You can lay down Robux.
Oh my god. Okay, Bada, let's do this.
I'm sitting on
We
you.
get to the fly airport.
Inside, inside, can't sit on you.
Bada, it says you're playing.
Oh, that's...
Are you ready?
I'm scared.
Now, we
Where's the
can't
one?
lose more time.
I just
Find
want
your
to
plane and grab a seat. Get on the plane. Get on your plane. I'm on my plane. Dad, do you think this is a good idea that you're letting some kids try to play?
I'm sure it's a good idea.
Oh my god.
I'm so scared.
Starting. Where's my other plane? Where's my other plane? Take on. Sorry, I accidentally did it then. Pick on.
Where's all the bacon? There was another bacon.
I love bacons. They're so cool.
That's obstacles.
Oh no!
There's my luggage.
Let's do this. I'm doing it. Zoom out, mana.
No!
I'm doing it. Come on, mana. Mana, come on. Oh, I got damaged. Mana!
I'm doing.
She's about to die now.
No, no, please, no, please, no!
I'll take your best,
No!
Mana.
I am so sorry that I couldn't make it in time.
हम recording कर रहे हैं हम वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं